Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we are going to be drawing flowers. Let's get started. For our activity today, you're going to need your sketchbook, a pencil, and an eraser. I want you to open up your sketchbook and review the line and shape page. Line and shape are one of the elements of art and a big component that we want to start identifying in our artwork. Here is a sketchbook I did a few years ago when I was drawing trees. If you want to draw trees instead of flowers today, you can totally do that. Here you can see different types of lines and how they affect the trees, whether it's organic or geometric. Here you can see the different types of shapes and how it would affect the tree. So, when you're doing flowers and you're doing lines and shapes, after you've reviewed this, go ahead and find a blank page in your sketchbook. When drawing flowers today, you can choose to color them or you can leave them uncolored. It's up to you. For my flower, I'm going to start with a spiral, and then I'm going to bring a U shape underneath. At the end of my spiral here, I'm going to go ahead and bring my line down to meet the end of, I think this will be like kind of like a rose. I want to add a few more petals, and it's up to you if you want to add a whole bunch or just a few. I'm going to do a little curve shape on either side to get more petals. If I want to add petals that look like they're behind the flower, I start my line more at the top and have it disappear behind, like so. When it comes to a stem, I usually start with one line, and then depending on how close I want the flower to look, I'll add a second line. Or if I want the flower to look farther away, I'll just stick with the one line. Usually flowers will have something going on up here and a leaf of some sort. Here's one flower design, and I can't wait to see what kind of flower design you come up with in class today. Till next time, keep being creative.